Hey guys, this is Tina from Bootsfy. Welcome to visit my video. You can subscribe my YouTube channel to get $20 discount, and please contact my WhatsApp to get a discount. Okay. Today I got Adidas Futurecraft for the running sneak, and I will show a close look video to you guys. Okay, now let me check the other stuff. We can notice the card here and the dust broke. Okay, and the shoebox, our black color shoebox, and here we got orange color Western logo on the top here. Okay, now let me check the label. Y3 runner 4D, and the list is size US 9. Okay, now let me check the shoes detail. First, it's obviously we can notice the outsole. We can notice the this is an Adidas new midsole technology here. A very beautiful design and very comfortable. Okay, now let me check the shoes surface. I check the upper. It's appreciate bra and neat material here. And check this area. We got a very nice nylon. This is black nylon, very nice quality. And another side we can notice this part. They are the same nylon, and the back. Check the back here. You see, very nice material, very soft. Okay, now let me check the side. Check the shoe side. Check this part. We can notice here various technology designs on the shoe. So you have like this little turbine section to hold down this area, which is actually like a frame form. I do see this street track indication here. And check this part. Okay. And here we got the same design on the other side. Okay, check the finger. We can notice here written, the brand with the street stripes, and here we got a Y3 logo here. And by the way, you're seeing the black color shoelaces. Okay, now let me check the inside. We got a black color insole. It's very nice nylon, very supple. You see, very supple. And here we got a Y3 and Adidas logo here. Okay, now let me check this side. Here on the ankle, you see you get a Y3 logo. And the writing the same as the tongue here. Okay. And check this number. This shoes is limited to 100 pairs, and this is 29 pair. Okay, and check the nearby. We got a label here. Okay, right. Let's all details. This is very comfortable and very beautiful runner sneak. Actually this is very expensive. Okay, and that's all details, and if you want to know more details, please contact my WhatsApp. And finally, I hope this video can help you to know something about these shoes. Okay, thank you, see you, bye.